Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. I am always here and always wear the same clothing, same dress. This is my dress at home, and it makes me super duper comfortable. I can eat a lot without showing up. And I can move around very comfortable. You know it, right? So I finished my work, and for now, so I have some time here, and I am bubbling with happiness, with joy, with just proud, that feeling. Maybe you have it. So I want to make this video to share this moment and share this thought so that I can reinforce this feeling, this learning to my life. And one thing funny is that I learn something every day, and still I make mistake every day, and I regret every day. Maybe I am just an unteachable person. So here is what I have learned. Last night, I was stressed out. I am starting a new class, and this is the first time I see them, everything new. I will not give you the detail of it. Just do not want to give you the detail of it. And but you can connect when you get something new you are not familiar with, you are uncomfortable with, you have not yet built up the confidence in it. You feel lost, and you feel stressed, you feel frustrated, and you feel chaotic, you feel everything is in the air and there is nothing you can land on firmly, stably, comfortably. That was the feeling. So in the middle of the night, I was still looking through my lesson plan and other things, and it was a huge lesson plan. I almost could not open up my eyes. And my family was making jam. My husband was making jam, asked me to help. Sorry for the noise. Okay, let's keep on. Those airplane sounds will never disappear, because when this one is gone, another one will come. Okay, so last night, in the middle of the night, we were making jam, and I could not help my family. So I feel bad for it, and I feel tired. And it's just not a very comfortable situation. Anyway, I made my best effort, read through the plan to prepare, and I slept with regret, with something that I feel, oh, I'm not doing enough. I'm not doing enough for the family, for myself, for my students. Anyway, and I made my best. This is already my best, and I made my best. Woke up early, went to school, see my students, and it's so good to see them. And we had our lesson, and maybe sometimes you cannot feel that everything is prepared, but you have your life experience accumulated, and you have your ability accumulated. Not superpower ability. We are not super person, superman, superwoman. We are within our ability, and we had enough accumulation, and with enough stress, with enough fear. Today, my lesson was good. I would not say it's a blastingly good lesson, and there is still room to improve, but I feel so good. It felt so right, so good. So when I finished the class, I came back home. Instead of going directly, I stopped sitting in the car just to think about it and reflect on it. Every day, every moment of our life is just a moment in our life. Once we treat it with respect, with caution, with preparation, with acceptance, with grace, it's just another hour. It's just another day. It's just another month. It's just another month. It's just another year. It's just another duration of time. We can get it over. If heaven does not want us to die at that moment, we will get it over. And the more you put into it, preparation, stress, fear, confusion, effort, dedication, the more you put into it, the same amount, the more you will get out of it. And the joy out of getting something over, just get that period of time, that duration of time over, is such a relief. It's such a comfort. That's what I feel. I am so happy. Our day, just another hour, just another airplane, just another duration of time. Prepare yourself, or prepare myself with a peace of mind, with tolerance, tolerate my imperfection, with acceptance, accept my ability. Then I will get it over. You will get it over. We will get it over. Do I make any sense? I love you. I really do. Do. Just want to share with you these silly thoughts.